NCERT Physics, Class 11th, 4th Chapter, Motion in a Plane, question number 4.19. And this, what we have to do, that different statements are given and we have to verify which is true and which is false. So coming to statement first, the net acceleration of a particle in circular motion is always along the radius of the circle and toward the center. So whenever a particle undergoes a circular motion, it may have two type of acceleration, that is, one is centripetal and other is tangential. Centripetal toward the center and tangential is perpendicular to center. So the first statement seems to be false, as according to first statement the net acceleration is toward the radius, but in this case we can say that net acceleration is making an angle theta with radius. This is a net. So from this diagram we can clearly say that this statement is false. Now moving to B part. According to B, velocity of a particle at a point is always tangential to the path of that particle at that point. It is correct, as whenever we have to define the velocity of particle, so in order to decide the direction of velocity, draw the tangent to the curve at that point. Suppose this is point 1 and we have to define the velocity. So in order to find the direction, we can draw the tangent to the curve at point 1, and the velocity of the particle at point 1 is along this tangent. So suppose we have to find velocity of particle at point 2. So draw the tangent at point 2 and the velocity of particle would be along the tangent at point 2. This is v2 and this is v1. So according to B statement, the velocity vector point along the tangent to the path at that point. So this is true. Coming to C part, acceleration of a particle in uniform circular motion averaged over one cycle is null vector. So first of all, when particle move in circle, it have two type of acceleration. One is AC and other is AT. Now in uniform circular motion, speed constant. So if speed constant, this implies that AT is 0. अगर speed constant है तो tangential acceleration would be 0. Now let's talk about centripetal acceleration, which is AC. So as we know that in centripetal acceleration, direction is toward center. Centripetal acceleration is toward center. So over a complete cycle, the average value of AC would be 0. Over a complete cycle, अगर अपन पूरे साइकिल की बात करें तो average value over a complete cycle of AC would be 0. So this statement is also true.